Have you ever wondered how some people grow their online income so quickly? The Millionaire Partner System makes it possible, and it's built to guide you step by step. Here's how it works. First, the system helps you set up a strong foundation for your business. You'll learn how to create a clean website, landing pages, and sales funnels that actually attract customers. No tech wizard skills needed. It's all laid out simply. Next, you'll be shown how to pick products or services with real demand. This is important because you don't waste time guessing. You'll know exactly which products can bring you the most income. Then the program helps you design marketing campaigns using ready-made tools and templates. Whether it's emails, social posts, or ads, you'll be able to reach the right audience with the right message. Another key part is the automation. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks like emails and follow-ups, the system sets them up to run automatically. This frees you up to focus on strategy and growing your business. You'll also learn how to track and improve your results. With clear analytics, you can see what's working, make quick changes, and increase your profits. And when you're ready, the program shows you how to scale, so you can move from a small side income to a full-scale business. In short, the Millionaire Partner System gives you the tools, training, and support to build a profitable online business. It's practical, it's step by step, and it focuses on real results, not just theory. If you're ready to start building your own income stream, don't wait. Click the link below to get access. This could be the first step toward your financial freedom.